afternoon, dear students. Silent prayer. Okay. In previous class, we learned exercise 11.2, questions 1 to 6. Today, we are going to discuss questions from 7 to 11. So, take your textbook, page 178, question number 7. Listen carefully. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Here given a floor consists of 3000 tiles, that is number of tiles is equal 3000. Okay. Its shape is rhombus and its diagonals also given 45 cm and 30 cm. We need to find the total cost of polishing the floor. So we need to find the area of the floor and then multiply with 4. We get the total cost for polishing the floor. So in previous exercise 11.1 we already learned this formula. Number of tiles is equal to area of the floor by area of one tile. We already learned this formula. Okay, from this we can find area of the floor. Area of the floor is equal to number of tiles into area of one tile. That is, we transpose this to this side. Here this is division, so this will change as multiplication. So, area of a floor is equal to area of one tile into number of tiles. Here given number of tiles as 3000. So, we need to find area of one tile first. Now, the tile is in the shape of rhombus. So, what is the formula for finding area of a rhombus? Do you remember? Yes, half D1 D2. Or BH. Two formula we have here given diagonals. So we choose this formula for finding area. So D1 is given as 45 and D2 30. So substitute these values, half into 45 into 30. Now we can cut 30 by 2. 30 by 2 we get 15. Now multiply 45 into 15, we get 675 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Diagonals are given in centimeters. In question given cost per meter square is rupees 4. So here we find area of one tile in centimeter square. Okay, so we need to convert this to meter square after finding area of floor. So first substitute these values 675 in this equation. Okay, so here area of one tile into number of tiles. So area of floor is equal to 675 into 3000. 3000 is the number of tiles and 675 is the area of one tile. Now multiply this, we get, after multiplying we get 20,25,000 centimeter square. So given cost per meter square, so first we need to convert this area to meter square. So already we learned 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square. Okay, so this is in centimeter square. So centimeter to meter, we need to divide this area by 100 into 100. So again equal 20,25,000 divided by 100 into 100. Why here division? We need to convert centimeter square to meter square. So here division. Now per meter square rupees 4. So multiply this area into 4. We get total cost. So multiply with the 4. Before that, divide this. So 0, 0 cut. This 0, 0 cut. Again this one and this one cut. Then 2025 by 10. By 10 means put point after one digit from the right. So 202.5 meter square. So area of the floor is 202.5 meter square. Now find total cost. We need to multiply area of floor with 4. Okay, after multiplication we get 810.0 rupees. So total cost for polishing the floor is 810 rupees only. Next question 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium field. Okay. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Its side along the river. One side is along the river parallel and the other side is parallel to the road and one side is twice the other side. Okay. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Here given its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Its side near river parallel to the side near road and its length is twice the length of road. So here we take road as x meter because area is given in meter square. So here we take road this length as x meter and then twice means 2x. So this length is 2x meter. Okay. Now given this field in the shape of a trapezium. So do you remember the formula for finding area of a trapezium? Yes, half into h into a plus b. H means the height. Here height also given as 100 meter and area is given as 10,500 and we need to find this length. Okay, so first half into h into a plus b is equal to 1,500. Substitute values of h, a and b. Okay, so half into h means 100. So 100 into a means 2x plus b this one x equal to 10,500. Now 100 by 2 we get 50. Half of 100 50. So 50 into 2x plus x 3x equal to 10,500. Now we can split this as 50 into 3 into x. Meaning of 3x is 3 into x. So we can multiply 50 into 3. Okay. So here we get 5 into 3, 15. Then this 0, we get 150 into x equal to 10,500. Okay. Now x is equal to transpose this 150 to the right hand side. 10,500 by 150. Now cut this 0 and this 0 of numerator and denominator both. Now divide 1050 by 15, we get 70. So the value of x is 70 meter. That is, this is 70 meter. Then this is twice of this length. So what is the measure of this length? 2x. 2x means 2x equal 2 into 70. 7 2s are 14. So this is 140 meter. Question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Top of a raised platform. is the shape of a regular octagon. We need to find its area. Okay. I already told in last class about the triangulation method for finding area of a polygon. Polygon means the polygon 3-sided figure, 4-sided figure, 5-sided, 6-sided, anything. So three-sided figure triangle, we know half BH is the formula for finding area, and 4-sided figure we also learned some formulas for finding the area of trapezium, rhombus, then general quadrilateral, etc. Then we are going to learn about the triangulation method for finding area of polygon like hexagon, pentagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, etc. Here, according to the question, we need to find the area of octagonal surface. Here we divide this octagonal shape into 3 portions. From here to here we draw a line segment. Here also we draw another line segment. Now we get 3 parts. This is the shape of a trapezium. Then this is the shape of rectangle. And this is in the shape of trapezium again. These two are same. Okay. Then here already given this length is 5 meter. That is one side is 5 meter. And this height is 4 centimeter. And this length 11 meter. Okay. So area of this field is equal to area of this trapezium plus area of this rectangle field plus area of this trapezium. These two trapeziums are identical. So 2 into area of trapezium plus rectangular field. Okay. Here given regular octagon. So all sides are equal 5 centimeter. Okay. So area of this octagonal shape floor is equal to area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So LB plus 2 into 2 trapezium shaped space. So 2 into, what is the formula for finding area of a trapezium? Half H into A plus B. Okay. So here 2 into means 2 times same trapezium field. So 2 into half of H into A plus B. Now we can cut these two. Okay. So LB plus H into A plus B. Now substitute the values. L is length. Length is already given as 11 meter. So length 11 meter given. Then this side is 5 meter like this. Isn't it? So L means this 11. 11 into B means 5. One side 5. Then plus H means the height of trapezium. That is given as 4. Then 4 into A means this side and B means this side. These all sides are equal. Given regular octagon, so this also 5 centimeter, isn't it? So this is 11 plus 5. 11 side of a trapezium. This is the side of trapezium, also side of a rectangle. Okay, now 11 into 5, 55. 55 plus 4 into 11 plus 5 is 16. Now 55 plus 4 into 16 we get 64. Now add we get 119 meter square. 119 meter square. So here we split the diagram into 3 parts. We get 2 identical trapezium and 1 rectangular field. Then we add area of these 3 field. We get total area of this figure as 119 meter square. Next question 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. Given below one diagram. That is a pentagonal shaped park. Pentagonal shape means 5 sides. Okay. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into 2 different ways. So Here use this triangulation method like splitting the diagram. Okay. First Jyoti's diagram is this one and this is Kavita's diagram. Find the area of this park using both ways. We need to find its area using both the splitting of Kavita's and Jyoti's. Okay. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? So we also need to give one another method for finding area. So total 3 methods here we need to find. Here given all measurements. This total height is 30 centimeter. Total height is 30 centimeter. Then this side, one side 50 centimeter. Here also 15. Here also 15. These are the measurements of a pentagon shaped park. According to Jyoti's diagram, this is the diagram. Split this pentagon into 2 congruent or 2 identical trapeziums. That means both have same area. Okay. So we need to find area of one trapezium and multiply with the 2. We get the total area of this park. Now this height is already given in textbook, that is 30 centimeter, and this side 15, this side also 15, this side also 15. Now what is the formula for finding area of a trapezium? Half into h into a plus b. Here we have 2 trapeziums, so 2 into half into h into a plus b. We can cancel these 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 we get to 1. Now substitute values. A is this side A and this side 2 parallel sides, this side B. So A equal 30, B equal 15. Then height means this length. That means half of 15. Okay, so 15 by 2 we get 7.5. So substitute that values. 7.5 into 30 plus 15. 30 plus 15 we get to 45. Then multiply with the 7.5 we get to 337.5 meter square. So according to Jyoti's diagram we find its area in this way. Now according to Kavita's diagram, Kavita split this diagram like this. Draw a line segment from here to here and this is the height of this triangle. This shape, this pentagon shape split into 2 another shapes. This is a square and this is a triangle. Why this is a square? Given in question, these 3 sides are 15 and this side also 15. So these are parallel sides, both of equal. So this is a square shaped and the total height is 30 centimeter. So from here to here height is 50 given. So balance is 15, that is this height. Okay, 30 minus 15 we get a height of triangle is also 50. Now base of this triangle is 50. Okay, now area of this figure is equal to area of this square plus area of this triangle. So first we going to find area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side. That means 15 into 15. After multiplication we get to 225. Now area of a triangle is half BH. Half BH means a half into B. 15 into height 15. That is half into 15 into 15. Now 15 into 15, 225. So half into 225 equal to, divide 225 by 2, we get to 112.5. So we get area of square and area of triangle. Now we add both areas, we get the total area of this figure. That is 225 plus 112.5 is equal 337.5 meter square. So according to Jyoti's diagram and Kavita's diagram, we get the same area 337.5 meter square. So we need to find another method. So you can draw a diagram like this. We are going to split this square again. So draw its diagonal, we get 2 identical or 2 congruent triangles. So here write your own name. Okay, so like Jyoti's diagram, Kavita's diagram, like that you can write your name and diagram. Okay. So now we get 3 triangles here. So first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. These 2 triangles are identical and we already find area of this triangle in earlier, that Kavita's diagram. So that is half BH equal half into 15 into 15. We get to 112.5 meter square. So area of this portion is 112.5 meter square. Now these 2 are identical, so we can find its area like 2 into half BH. 2 and 2 cancelled, so we get BH. BH means base and height. This is a right angled triangle, so its height is this one and base is this. So BH is equal to 15 into 15. So here we consider like this. Okay. So 15 into 15, 225. So we get both areas. So we now add these areas, 225 plus 112.5, we get 337.5 meter square. Question 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter and inner dimensions 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. This dimensions means measure of length and breadth. So length and breadth is given. Outer is 24 centimeter into 28 and inner dimension 16 into 20 centimeter. Find area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So this is our frame. Inside this we put pictures. So these 4 sides are a frame side. Okay. Now in outer measurement as this length is 28 and breadth 24 centimeter and inner side measurement as length 20 centimeter and breadth 16 centimeter. Now look here, these 2 shapes are equal size and these 2 are equal size. This right and left equal identical shape and these 2 sides are also, top and bottom sides also equal and identical shape. Now we need to find area of these 4 sides. Now listen, the shape of this figure. What is the shape of this figure? Trapezium. So this is trapezium, this also trapezium, this is also trapezium, this is also trapezium. So we need to find area of this trapezium and this trapezium. Then these 2 are equal, so both have same area, and these 2 are equal, so both have same area. So we need to find area of this and this. Okay. So according to the question, this side 28 centimeter, this side also 28, then this side 24, so this is also 24. Now this is 16 centimeter, so this is also 16, this is 20, so this is also 20. Now we need to find the height of this trapezium. Okay, so if we draw like this is the height of this trapezium. Here we have both sides, this height. So we need to find the height in 2 different ways. 24 minus 60. That means these 2 sides is the height. So 24. 24 is the length or breadth of this side and 16 is the breadth of this side. Then 24 minus 16 we get sum of these 2 sides height. That is 8 by 2. So 8. Not 8 by 2, 8. Then divide it by 2, we get this is 4 and 4. Understood? The same way like this length is 28. Then 28 minus this length, 20, we get total of these 2 sides as 8. Then divide by 2, we get this is 4 and this is 4. In question given, height is same. That is, height of these all trapeziums have 4. So first we are going to find area of this trapezium. So this right side trapezium and left side trapezium are equal. So half BH, sorry, not half BH, area of trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. Now substitute the values H 4 and A 28 and B 20. So half into 4 into 28 plus 20. Now add 28 plus 20, we get to 48. 4 by 2 we get to 2. We can cut here. So 4 by 2 we get to 2. 2 into 48 we get to 96 centimeters square. So area of this right side and this left side trapeziums are 96 centimeters square. The same way, find area of one of these trapezium. Both are equal. So half into H into A plus B equal to half into height, same height 4 into this length 24 plus this length 16. So 4 by 2 we get to 2, 24 plus 16 we get to 40, then 2 into 40 we get to 80. So this area of this and this side are 80 centimeters square. So today I am going to wind up this session. Study well, write these notes and study well. Okay, thank you.